Welcome everyone to a very special place to unveil a very special car. I'm pleased to introduce the new Mercedes Maybach S Class, the pinnacle of automotive excellence at Mercedes-Benz. Just take a moment and have a look at these signature Maybach exterior design details. Let's start with the impressive silhouette. This car is almost 5.5 meters long. The Maybach logo illuminated in some markets, a large greenhouse with an extra window framed by exclusive chrome and aluminium, and strengthened by this very special paint. I'm pretty sure I don't have to say much about the grille. Isn't that a statement, right? It's only been a couple of weeks since we unveiled the new S-Class and got great feedback from both customers and media. Now, here we are again, with a challenge to make the best car in the world better yet again. You know what? It's an insane job, and we loved it, because that's the essence of the Maybach brand. Pushing boundaries and surprising those who probably have seen it all. Here's what we bring to the table. Customers will get the full S-Class package plus some more. Of course, it's about engineering excellence, craftsmanship and high-tech, but a truly outstanding experience goes beyond that. It takes ultimate dedication. Dedication to, again and again, excite the most demanding customers. Dedication to build on the best. That's exactly what this car is here to deliver in the most sophisticated package. We're going those extra miles for our customers, just like that French chef. In the past, luxury was often associated to opulence and wastefulness. Today, at Mercedes-Benz, we rather understand it as a state of great comfort, ease, and timeless aesthetics. It's about purity, fascinating technology, and utmost quality. Take, for instance, the beautiful two-tone paint. Every Maybach S-Class in two-tone is hand-painted. This process can take up to a full week to finish. And this is just one of many examples that showcases what the Maybach brand is all about. Perfection, even in the smallest details. Each Maybach model is a masterpiece of fine craftsmanship, combining distinct quality and sophisticated materials. Well, I do think we've packed a lot of emotion into this car. You know what really convinces people? The full experience. Feeling it, sensing it, driving, as well as being driven in a Maybach is unparalleled. It's the serene feeling of being home on the road. Even before we get into the car, here's an exclusive Maybach feature I'm sure you will love. That's pretty neat, right? For the first time ever, we've got comfort doors that can open automatically, controlled from the driver's seat or with this key here. Of course, the car makes sure it's safe for other road users before opening its doors. Once inside, you can close them with a simple gesture. Honestly, as soon as this door closes, my personal recreation begins. I'm calming down, enjoying the moment after a long day. And calmness starts with silence. The S-Class is best in class when it comes to interior silence. And the Maybach S-Class again goes that one step further, with active driving noise compensation. Counter noise actively creates silence, and the result is amazing. Sitting here is like putting on a pair of noise-canceling headphones. Again, you have to experience it to really get a sense what all this means for Maybach passengers. Ladies and gentlemen, desirability is a very individual concept, of course. It's created in the heads, and even more so, in the hearts of people. It's far more than the sum of its parts. But it helps when every single part is done to perfection. Like that French bread I mentioned earlier. We are in the business of building the world's most desirable cars. And I can't wait to get this beauty into the showrooms starting next spring and to hear your feedback on it. Before we get to that, let's take this beauty on a virtual tour to some of the most desirable places in the world. Thanks for joining, stay safe, and enjoy the ride.